The CBV extension identifies a ChessBase archive file containing compressed chess game databases from ChessBase software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, analyze, or manage these chess database archive files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful CBV troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. CBV files are compressed chess database archives from ChessBase, the leading chess database and analysis software. They contain collections of chess games with move notations, player information, tournament data, annotations, and analysis stored in a compressed package for distribution. ChessBase CBV files use a proprietary compressed archive format, packaging CBH database files with their associated index search and annotation companion files into a single distributable package. They support password protection and maintain full database structure during compression. The preferred application for managing the CBV file is ChessBase from ChessBase GmbH. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows exposes only limited info, so stored tables and rows must be accessed through DB software. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the CBV file and select Open with. Test ChessBase if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the CBV format uniquely. If your CBV file isn't cooperating, don't worry, you've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the CBV file begins. First, opening the archive. Install ChessBase and open the CBV file via File. Then open Database. ChessBase extracts the compressed database and opens it for browsing. Navigate through games using the game list and open individual games for replay analysis and annotation. Next, extracting games. Open the CBV database in ChessBase and select games for export. Use File then. Export to save selected games in PGN portable game notation format for universal compatibility with other chess software, including lichesschess.com and free engines like Stockfish. Finally, analyzing games. After opening the CBV database in ChessBase, select a game and use the analysis features to run Stockfish or Fritz engine analysis. Add annotations, commentary, and evaluation symbols. Save your analysis back to the database for future reference and study. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.